Vision, a high-performing science and technology institute committed to produce optimistic, versatile, and productive individuals who would be a contributors to a strong and happy nation. Mission, to develop optimistic, versatile, and productive individuals proficient in generating better ways of living towards a peaceful and environment-friendly society. Core values, inspired, ingenuity, nationalism, self-reliance, productivity, integrity, reliability, excellence, and dynamism. Institutional outcome, quality and excellence in producing innovative and happy individuals. BIST hymn, BIST, a dream becomes reality with fervor and sincerity. To you we pledge our loyalty for us and for our nation. You desire the best education. You are an institution worthy of our salvation. For all the blessings He grants, to our God we gave our thanks. We live into His hands, our future and our plans. O Lord, bless our founders, students, parents, and teachers. Bless all our endeavors as we go into our morrows. Go now, BIST, go forth and make history. When all becomes reality, BIST, give God the glory.